where a massive water main break has flooded several streets here. DPD has it shut down from Lexington all the way to Lane Street, from North Green Street to North Beard Street. You can see just how deep this water is with people driving through it. People in these homes say this happened around 3 in the morning when they started noticing water coming up through their drains, up filling their basements. They say it rose really quickly.
Happening now in the city of Detroit, frozen under flood waters.
Mira, hasta el camino, loco. Puta madre, ese está perro, señores. Yo ya me voy para la casa. Ahora sí no tengo que salir. Mucha atención a todos los que están aquí. Vayan al supermercado a comprar sus comidas porque...
In Detroit, icy water inundating homes after a 4.5-foot water main burst open on the city's southwest side this morning. More than 75 people had to be brought to safety, many of them children.
All right, chat, let's dive in. Chat, this some wild Detroit out here looking like the damn Arctic Ocean. The main water break really flooded everything. Southwest Detroit got hit bad. Like, bro, how they not know that old pipe was ready to give out? That thing been sitting there since the 1930s. Like, bro, that's just insane, chat. It's not just water, it's straight up ice water. Like Detroit, really going through it right now, chat. Hope the city steps up for these people. Like, bro, this is a damn disaster. Like, bro, picture this. You just chillin', maybe sleeping good, then bam, your whole basement a swimming pool. Water up to your knees, furniture floating, your heater out to commission. Like, bro, these people are most definitely feeling the worst of this chat. Like, if they don't have flood insurance, any damages that people got in their homes won't be covered by the insurance company's chat. Like, bro, this is so f***ed up. Like, damn, fam. Does anyone in the chat live in Detroit and has been affected by these floods? Let me know in the comments. We could point you in the right direction, chat.
This is, here we go. Oh, look out. No, don't get caught. Uh-oh, this person may not make it. They're gonna make it. There's so much flooding, and I'm stuck. I couldn't make it out. This guy did. On Regular Street, Southwest Detroit. I mean, and there are a number of streets around here, but I am stuck. This is my car. You can see the water, how much it is. What a disaster. Avoid this area.
Guys, all our basement is flooded. We've been calling since 1 a.m. for help and nobody has came to help us. We're just trying to leave the house, to be honest.
Oh, 6 to 8 inches deep. Everything is covered right now. The water in some areas looks like it's frozen overnight. But this is a big inconvenience. You can see the water line right there, how high it was. A lot of things are submerged in water right now.
children.
Well, there you see a family of 5 being rescued, taken to the ambulance here. They get checked out. If they're okay medically, they then get placed on a warming bus. It's an absolute site of disaster down here in southwest Detroit. We've got a posse of Oakland County Sheriff's deputies arriving on the scene with all of their equipment for their urban search and rescue and water rescue teams here. It's been a regional effort. It's ongoing. Crews from Monroe County, Macomb County, Grosse Ile, and now Oakland County Sheriffs are rolling into town. Here's what...
As the water main break continued, the water got deeper and deeper. There's reports of like 3 feet of water in people's basements and in the street. Basically, they were trapped in their houses without heat, so we started initiating this operation we have going now.
About how many dive teams?
We have 11 dive teams from all the different counties in the area. And we have all the dive teams clearing every house on the different streets that are affected to make sure everyone's okay. Rescued here. Detroit Fire Department rescued kids from
SWAT team just entered
heavy equipment.
They're taking them over there. This is the breakdown of our area. My staging area is
Look at that, they've got a backhoe here getting the kids out. Just incredible. What's going on here?
Yeah, that's the family on ours. They just got excavated.
Got most of it, we got 2 inches left, but all my friends down the street, their basement's up to the rim, up to the ceiling of the houses. Yeah, it's coming up to the first floor already on some of the houses over there. I've got a couple friends that are living there. Yeah, so I'm gonna stay here the rest of the day to help them out because the water's still coming up from the toilet and the sewer lines.
All right, look, they finally got the roads drained, or they finally got the roads drained or whatever. So look, they finally got the roads drained. It was flooded over here crazy. Cars floating, everything. They got it all packed up. There's a little water left, but it's all little. They're taking care of it, man. They out here working, bro. Detroit is hustling, bro. Detroit is a hustling city. Y'all can't tell me. Oh, it's a tractor right there. Y'all can't tell me Detroit ain't a hustling city, bro.